Hello students, wish you a very good morning to all of you. Today is Saturday. In this period we have computer. So let's study computer. So today we are going to conduct our computer class through a new method, through whiteboard method. I hope that this method will be apprehensible, that will be informative for you. As you know that we have already completed all the exercises from chapter 5, that is computer mouse. So the discussion on the textual portion as well as on the exercises we have already completed. Now today we are going to solve some worksheets. Some questions are there from chapter 5. So today we'll answer all these questions. I hope that you can easily answer all these questions. You can see on this page some fill in the blanks and matching type questions are there. So let's answer all these questions. Write the correct word in the blank. You can see in a bracket in each question there is a bracket. Within the bracket two words or two options been written. So here our job is to choose the correct answer. Use your computer copy. First copy the question and then write your answer. Okay? Must copy the question and then answer. First question is the small arrow that moves when we move the mouse is called a dash. So you can see this box. Within the box you need to write the correct answer. So just select the correct answer from this bracket. One is cursor, another is pointer. So what do you think? The correct answer is the arrow. Here the term, the word is arrow, small arrow, that is been mentioned. So small arrow appearing on the screen of monitor. When we move the mouse, then the arrow also move. So here your answer is pointer, not cursor. Okay, so just write pointer, this word. This is the answer. What is cursor? You know that the small blinking line appearing on the screen of monitor is called cursor. The difference between cursor and pointer should be understood. Cursor is a small blinking line and pointer is the small arrow. Okay, so arrow and the blinking line both can be appeared on the screen of monitor. So pointer, that is the arrow appearing on the screen of monitor. What is the function of pointer? I have told you before that pointer is used to select on things and to point at things. Select items and point at things. Okay, we'll move on to next question. A mouse is used to dash at things on the screen. Flash or point? I have told you the answer. So your answer should be point. A mouse is used to point at things on the screen. On the screen of what? Monitor. On the screen of monitor. Question number 3. A mouse has 3 lines of buttons. How many buttons are there in a mouse? We got 2 types of mouses. 2 button mouse and scroll mouse. 2 button mouse having 2 buttons, left and right buttons, and a scroll mouse having 2 buttons along with a wheel like structure at the center. So here your answer should be buttons. If you consider the scroll wheel as a button, then you will get 3 buttons. You can consider 3 buttons. So buttons is the answer. Last question. The mouse dash help us move up, down a page. Mouse button or wheel? Mouse buttons are used to perform different mouse actions. Left click, right click, double click, and drag and drop. But To move a page up and down, we use the wheel at the center of a mouse. That is called scroll wheel. What is the name? Scroll wheel. If we move the scroll wheel, then the page will the page will move up and down. Okay. So what is the answer? The correct answer is will. So just write in the box. Once again, I told you. Once again, I'm telling you that first copy the question, first write down the question, and then write your answer. Clear? Now match the words that are similar in meaning. Similar in meaning. Okay. Synonyms. So first of all, we need to read the words direct, shift, blinking, display. On the right column, show, flashing, point, move. These four words been mentioned. So just match the similar words. Direct. What do you mean? What is the similar meaning of direct? Direct should be matched. Direct should be matched with point. Okay. The first one has been solved. Next, shift. The similar meaning, the synonym of shift is move. So move can be represented instead of the word shift. Blinking, that should be matched with flashing. And display, that means show, showing. So we got the answer. Now let's take a look. Let's take a look on some other worksheets. Some choose the correct answer type questions been given. 4 questions are there with some question. With each statement or question, some options been given. 3 options are there. So your job is to pick up the correct answer. Just select the correct answer. So the procedure is same. Copy the question, then write your answer. Only the answer. Okay. Look at the first question. When we say double click, what part of the mouse will you click? For double clicking, which button of mouse should be pressed? You know that for double clicking, we press left click, left button. So left click is the answer. Okay. Double click means we need to press the left button of mouse 2 times quickly and then release it. So twice the left button of mouse should be clicked twice for performing double click. Your answer is A. Next, 2. When we say click the X, what part of the mouse you will click? Left click is normally used. Left click is normally used. So left click is the answer. Click the X means left click. Okay. Now 3. It opens a pop-up window when you click this. Pop-up window can appear. A pop-up window can appear if we click the right button of mouse. Okay. So you know that the function, the use of right click. We know that right click shows a list of comments from which we can choose any one option. So a pop-up window can appear if we click the right button of mouse. Okay. So option number B is the correct answer for question number 3. Now 4, it is used to scroll up and down in a software. To scroll up and down in a software, we should use the scroll wheel. So wheel is the answer. Not scroll wheel. Scroll wheel is found in mouse, but wheel is also there in the on the screen of monitor. Okay, at the corner you can see the scroll. By moving the scroll, we can move the page up and down and left and right. Okay, so this is the answer. Wheel is the answer. So we got the answer. Now, question number 5. Parts of computer mouse. You know that a computer mouse has different parts. A typical computer mouse is a scroll mouse. A scroll mouse having some special features, some special parts. Two buttons are there, left button and right button. At the center, a special part, that is scroll wheel, is present. So we know that a typical mouse contains a wheel-like structure at the center along with two buttons, left and right buttons. So just identify the parts. Your job is to draw the picture, just draw the picture of mouse and then mark, then label the parts, left button, right button and the center part. This is your job. Okay, I will send you the pages, these worksheets in group. So just copy the question, then write your answer. For question number, and for the last worksheet, draw the picture and then label the parts. Clear? Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a good day.